be filming this hairstyle. I'm not sure what to call it, but I say it's half protective and half not protective. It was a very easy, quick hairstyle. I was in a rush and I'm just like, you know what? I don't feel like doing a wash and go. So let's just do something with this head of mine. So I was in dying need of washing my hair, but lazy at the same time. So if you all are interested in this style, please stay tuned to the remainder of the video. I did my LOC off camera. I have it sectioned in the direction that I want the hair to go. I'm gonna share with you guys what I use for my LOC. And the first product was this leave-in by Garnier Whole Blends, and it's the Maple Melody. You all have seen this before because I mentioned it in my favorite video, my last favorite video. If you haven't seen that video, I'll leave a card for it here. You all go and check that out. But this leave-in is amazing, and it smells so freaking good, y'all. Like, oh my god. And that was my leave-in, and my oil was this right here, the castor oil. I picked this up from my local GNC, and it's the castor oil 100% pure versatile skincare, skin softener, multi-purpose for hair, body, and all of the good old stuff. This is 16 fluoride ounces. I paid $8.99 for this container at GNC, and it is amazing. As you all can see, I don't have that much product left, but it gets the job done. So I use that as my oil. And my cream was another favorites that I mentioned in my favorites video, and it is the TGIN Buttercream Daily Moisturizer with vitamin E. This is amazing, y'all. This was shea butter and vitamin E, I'm sorry. This is amazing. Amazing, amazing, amazing. These two products here as a combo is just ridiculous. It gives the hair so much moisture, so much life. Y'all try these two. Try them and let me know what y'all think. But these are amazing. I'll leave a link for them in the description bar down below. But go check out my favorites video that mentioned these two products as well. So anyway, that was my LOC. Now I'm going to go in and style the hair. I'm going to start with the back and work my way up. And the only product I'm going to be using on the back besides my LOC is this product right here, and it is the Luster's Pink. I know in my previous video I kept saying pink lusters. It's Luster's Pink, and it's the shea butter coconut oil curl and twist pudding, and this has the shea butter coconut oil, olive oil, argan oils, aloe vera, and kimono extracts and vitamin E. Amazing, y'all. So I'm gonna use that to twist up the back, and then we're gonna do something different up here with the front. So let's go ahead and get started. So as you all can see, with just those LOC products, do y'all see that definition? Do y'all see those curls popping though? Do y'all see them popping? Because I see them popping. It looks so juicy, so moisturized, so defined. Look at that, just look at it. And I'm gonna add this amount to this section, and we're gonna twist that up out of the way. I'm gonna rake that into the strands. Okay. And then I'm going to twist that out of the way. And I'm going to take my 3-word comb this out at the end, and I am going to twist that around the finger as so. All right, and we're gonna prod up, rub it into the strands. Make sure I get my ends really, really good. Okay, right that in, and I am going to twist that. Use that 3-row comb that out, and we are going to twirl that around the finger. And that's it. We got 2 in. That's all I have in my hair right now is the LOC, and this twist pudding is going to give me a little bit more definition in my curls once it dries. So that's the purpose of adding this twist pudding to the twist. Okay, I'm gonna take that 3rd row comb that through, make sure there's no tangles, And we are going to take that and twirl it around the finger. I'm gonna add a little bit of TWISTout gel, my favorite one, and it is the Black Castor Oil and Flaxseed TWISTout gel. I feel like this is the best TWISTout gel they ever came out with, and it's the only one that I use. So I'm gonna take about that much, rub it in the hands as so, and I'm going to put it around the edges of the hair. Okay, I'm going to take a I got hair flying everywhere. A semi-hard bristle brush, because it's not really hard. Okay. Do y'all see the hair waving up though? I know y'all see that, right? Okay. Just making sure. Do y'all see that though? So anyway. So we're gonna brush this up. I'm going to add a little gel to this right here. Not too much, just a little bit. Okay. Okay, now take one of them scrunchies I was telling y'all about. I'm gonna double wrap it like that, because they do stretch pretty big. And I am going to form a ponytail. Y'all see all that product though? It'll dry. Probably like by the end of the week, but it'll dry because I'm gonna cover it up. And excuse my towel. I know y'all heard me, what she do. I got makeup everywhere. Excuse my towel. I don't care. Just trying not to get it on my clothes. Now, I'm trying to debate whether or not if I want to put this in a bun, like a top knot, or I want to put it in a bun. And I think I'm gonna do a bun because I always do a top knot. Do y'all see how when you got clean hair, how that hair just be, I know y'all see that. Anyway, I'm gonna try to form this bun, okay y'all? But if it's unsuccessful and I don't like it, we taking this bun down, okay? So I got this, I don't know if I bought this or my sister bought it, but whatever. I got this jumbo bun. You can get it from your local beauty supply or whatever. And, Lord Jesus, pray for me, y'all. So basically, you're gonna put your hand in the middle of this bun. Looks like a donut. And you're gonna pull the hair through. This is how I do mine. Then you are going to split the hair down the middle, and you are going to form it around this bun. Okay? Just like that. Now, I don't know if I want to put gel on it or if I want to put a little bit more conditioner on it. I'm gonna try conditioner, but y'all know it ain't gonna work with just conditioner. So it's the hair is evenly distributed around this bun. Now, I'm gonna add a little gel. Ain't nothing else I can do about it because I'm trying to kill all the flyaways. Even though with natural hair, y'all know, flyaways are pretty big. Okay? Just like that. Okay? Make sure I got that back part pretty good. Now this white stuff is gonna stay on the hair until it pretty much dries. Now, I'm going to take my jumbo rubber bands that I get from my local beauty supply. It's 125 jumbo rubber bands for $1, y'all, $1. So I'm gonna take 3 of these, maybe 4, because I got some thick hair. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm gonna try to stretch, okay, y'all? Pray for me. I'm gonna try to stretch this on top of the bun just like this, okay? Y'all see how that's already messing up? I'm not feeling that. I'm going to try and split this. And I'm going to try to tuck the hair away. So I'm gonna take this part, wrap it all the way around. My hair thick, so I don't know if this is gonna work. I tried, y'all. I'm gonna take this snot stuff from Cantu. I'm gonna take a little bit of this. This stuff is bomb, y'all. This is a bonus, y'all. I'm gonna show y'all how to do my little skimpy baby hairs. Anyway, so we gonna go. I should have put a little bit of that right there too. Make sure it lay down. Let's do that first. So I'm gonna do this side first. We're gonna take a little bit right there. I'm gonna put that right there. I'm gonna bring down a little bit of that baby hair. And I don't go crazy with the baby hair. So I'm gonna go just like that. Just like that. I'm gonna go for a third one. I don't normally do this, y'all. Just like that. Hey. Just like that. Hey. Just like that. Hey. Hey. Anyway. Y'all see that? I know y'all do. I tried, y'all. I really did. Don't beat me up. They might not be twins, but they gonna be sisters tonight. They gonna be sisters tonight. I know I'm shining. But I'm finna take this makeup off. I'll see y'all in the morning when it dries. Hey y'all, it's officially the next day. And the hair, I think, is 90%. I'm looking in the mirror, sorry y'all. The hair is, I think, about 85 to 90% dry. I don't have time to let it dry any longer, so I just got to deal with whatever the results are gonna be. I tried to blow dry the back because it was still damp. I waited too late to do the hair, but we ain't gonna worry about it. I can always retwist it tonight when I come back. But what I am going to do, I have some castor oil in this bottle. I'm gonna rub some on my hand, put it on the strands, and I'm gonna put it on the scalp first. So what I'm gonna do is apply it to the scalp like this. Okay. Then I'm gonna take my hands, massage that in. Okay. All right. Then I'm going to take some on my hands, rub it together, put it on the strands of the hair, and then we are going to begin to take the twist down. I might not untwist them or fluff them out because they are kind of still wet a little bit, but I want you all to see that definition. Hold on, let me move that out of the way. Y'all see that definition? I know y'all see it. Look at that. Y'all see it. Alright y'all, so this is the finished results. I do not think that I am going to separate these twists. Not yet, I don't think, because like I said, it's not 100% dry, but it's gonna do for today because I'm on my way out the door to go to church. So yeah, these are the finished results. I'm loving the Luster's Pink Twist and Curl Pudding that I use to achieve the twist in the back. I'm loving that product, y'all. Like I said, I'll leave a link for everything that I used in today's video in the description bar down below. But if you all enjoyed today's video, please hit that like button, please share, please comment, please subscribe, and put on your post notification bell so you all are notified every time I do an upload. And until my next video, I'll see you all later. Bye.